Welcome to 2+0 Cooking, and we are making carrot potato hash today. If you've never made carrot potato hash before, then stick around. Hello, my name is Beef, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's make this carrot potato hash. And we're back, and we're going to get going. I have one red potato. You can use a russet potato if you like. These seem to work well for us because if one of us wants potato and the other one doesn't, these seem to be the right size to serve one person. And I got my Mirepoix bag, a little piece of garlic here. And I have some peanuts. Garlic can be overwhelming to some people. A lot of people, oh, this is not enough garlic. But other people just want a little bit of taste of garlic, but they like that crunch that garlic has when it's cooked. And the best way that I found to make you feel like you're eating a lot of garlic, even though you're not, is to cook garlic with peanuts. And just standard, Planters peanuts work. So we're going to use this potato, and out of my Mirepoix bag, I got a couple pieces of onion here, and here's a carrot. We're going to use everything that we can out of my Mirepoix bag. I'm going to cut away while I chop some of this stuff up. This is what has transpired, was that I peeled and washed the potatoes and drained it of as much starch as I could. I chopped it up into these small pieces, drained it again, and then I added 3-4 dashes of salt. It's actually sweating the potatoes, as you can see. And it's been sitting there long enough for me to cut that one little carrot, which came out to about a quarter of a cup, and the onions, which came out to about a third of a cup. And I chopped up that little piece of garlic, and I grabbed about 8 Planters peanuts and crushed it in this paper towel. And just because, I do a lot of things here on the fly, I grabbed 1/2 piece of par-cooked bacon. That was just like a last minute addition. Also, I have 2 pans on the stove heating up right now because I want to rinse the salt out of these potatoes because they need to drain before I stick them on the stove. I'm going to take these potatoes that I just rinsed. I want them as dry as possible. You don't have to peel the potato. It's a red potato, and I like the red potato skin on. I think this is pretty dry since I used a paper towel, and it's such a small amount. We're going to go ahead and cut away and go to the stove. Now, I added par-cooked bacon. Originally, I was planning on using bacon fat that I'd saved from the par-cooked bacon video to use on this. And by the way, this is the same bacon that was made from the par-cooked bacon video. And I looked and it was June 6th. And we still have more than half the bacon left in the freezer. And if you look at our videos, it may appear like we eat bacon all the time, but we don't. But what's nice is if we want it, it's ready and available for us. So I'm going to let that toast up there. I want it to do its thing. I'm going to go ahead and add the carrots. I'm going to grab some butter here. Yeah, there we go. Now we're going to add the potatoes. I need to turn up the heat, let that. Now, for those of you that have never been here before, a lot of people give me a hard time for this. I have to say this because there's a lot of people that watch this channel that have never been here before. We have an old kitchen. I was cleaning so much that I was actually rubbing the paint off the stove. I was cleaning the walls so much we don't have a backsplash that I was actually cleaning the paint off the walls. So I cleaned it as well as I could, and I just tinfoiled everything up. If it gets really bad, I could just rip it down, put new tinfoil up, and then I'm good to go. If you're cooking a lot of fried food, you would be surprised where all that oil flies to. It even makes it all the way up to your ceiling. You don't know it. So what we're doing is I'm trying to caramelize the onions, the peanuts, and the bacon in there, and I'm hoping the garlic makes it to the end last because we all know garlic cooks very, very fast. So on the other hand, we have these potatoes. They're steaming here. And that's why I didn't want to mix the two pans, because one is steaming and the other one's caramelizing. I don't want to do them together. You know, screw it. Bacon fat. Just going to put about half a teaspoon. Alright. See, I'm not your mom and dad. I'm not gonna tell you when to put bacon fat into your food or not to put bacon fat into your food. It's up to you. If you want to be healthy, cut out the bacon fat. Use olive oil. But if you want to have a luxurious meal, and I'm not saying to do it every day, but every now and then, you know, especially on the holidays, if you want to have a luxurious meal, have a luxurious meal. Enjoy your holiday. But I do want to taste everything. I'm getting all those individual flavors in there. The nuts, the garlic. Oh, this is really good. We'll just put it all together. There we go. While I'm plating, I usually like doing this, especially when I'm doing fried food. Just set it to the side, lift it up. If there's any excess oil in there, it'll drain down toward the bottom, but that'll actually help it crisp up even more. I'm going to go ahead and grab a plate, and we'll see you back at the counter. We have the carrot potato hash finished, and you could use carrot potato hash for dinner, like you're having fish, steak, whatever. It makes a nice side dish. Man, I'm totally feeling this. A lot of fine restaurants make this. I know Ruth Chris makes this. Yeah, Ruth Chris is a steakhouse. And that's actually where I got this idea for. It's an easy dish to make, but I think mine is much better than theirs. That was really good. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you make this dish. It's great. Scale it up if you're having a party. It makes a nice side. Take this, scramble up some eggs, put it in a burrito, toss a little cheese on it. You will lose your mind. Adios, amigos. Thank you so much for watching this video of making carrot potato hash. If you like this video, then please like us below. There are also links on the screen for other 2+0 cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description. And also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching, looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Beef out. As always, just because I'm done cooking after this recipe doesn't mean our kitchen is closed. The following images are for a future meal for me and my +1. Enjoy.